Welcome back, everybody. Doing some awesome stuff today. So today, we are finally going to be putting some siding on the equipment shed. And I'm kind of excited. I have never done board and batten. Surprisingly, with all the stuff I've built before, I've never done board and batten. So this is going to be a great experience for me. Hopefully it'll be a great experience for you guys. And yeah, we can get this equipment shed battened up, board and battened up, and closed in, and go from there. But yeah, so we're going to start here on this corner and go around the back. If you noticed a minute ago, we hauled the not necessarily a pallet full, but it was a pretty good lift of the boards that we sawed out. We've been sawing those out over the past few days there, if you guys have been checking out the channel. And so we're going to start here and work our way around. Some of these boards are not the greatest in the world, which is why I want to start here and go around the back, because that side over there and the front, I want to get some more premium boards to make it just look a little bit nicer. Some of these boards are pine. This is all pine, and some of these have holes in them and big knots, and some of them born insects made some holes too. So I don't necessarily want, I don't know, it's just a shed, but still, I kind of want it to look better on the front side. So we're just going to hide some of that on the back side. So yeah, so let's move some of this stuff around. We're going to get set up here, and we're using the awesome Milwaukee 12-inch sliding compound miter saw. If you take a look there, I've had this for a little while, and I love it. It's just fantastic, phenomenal. I don't even know how many words I can use to say about how great it is, because you don't have to have the cord with you, and you just snap one of your big batteries in, and it cuts awesome. It's very precise, and it works excellent. So I'm really, really excited about using that again. So we're going to use that on this job. We're going to be using a nailer, air nailer. It's my brother's that we have. It is a siding nailer. So we're going to, and we've got galvanized ring shank nails that we're going to be nailing this board and batten on with. So I think it's going to work out fantastic. So yeah, appreciate you guys coming and checking this out. Let's get started. All right, so we are got all the boards on. So I had sawn a few of these battens the other day, and so I wanted to have a few of them just to see how this goes. We're gonna have to go saw a bunch to finish this, but I like the space in here. I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna have to put a couple more on here, but it's about 5.5 inches here, and these are 3. So I think the proportion looks pretty good. But it seems to go on good. I think it looks pretty nice. And I obviously got to nail the top. But yeah, so as you could see, we went all the way through. I nailed each board on this side, on the left side, and then the batten will hold the other side and cover those nails. And really, I think it's gonna come out pretty good. And I got a 1/2 inch space. You saw the little spacers that I had put in there. I had a 1/2 inch spacer here between each one of these, and those 1/2 inch spacers seem to go out pretty good. I had measured this before and figured roughly that it would be 1/2 inch spacers with 8 inch boards, and then it would leave me a little extra gap on the end for this last one, which it did, but that's no big deal. So yeah, I think we did a lot today. So I'll put a couple more battens on, and then we've got to go down and saw those battens to get them ready for the rest of this. But it's a good start. I really enjoy doing this. This is different for me. I mean, I've done a lot of other things and put a lot of other siding on, but this was the first. So this is what's next. We got to come around the corner and then go around the back here and go all around down the back. The other good part about this is this tells us, see, with the stack of lumber that we've got, it tells me how many we went through. That shorter stack on the top and all of these was one of those huge pines that we was on the sawmill the other day. So that tells me that what's in there and what's in that pile right there will be enough for us to get all the way around the back. And maybe, I don't know if we'll do a little on that side or not, but at least we'll get the back done, which is really what I'm looking for. This side and the back with this pile. So we made out pretty good. I appreciate you guys stopping in, checking us out, checking this whole progress out with this equipment shed. It's been stretched out over a long period of time. Obviously, we've been doing this for we've been working on this sign for a couple years, really. Just kind of in between when we get a chance and things like that. But I think my goal is try to get this siding on before winter so that we can really utilize this equipment shed. But yeah, so thanks for stopping in. Thanks for checking us out. If you want to come back, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping in, guys.